Today we're going to explore the journey of whey protein, from the dairy farm to your protein shake. And the amazing benefits it offers. Whether you're an athlete, a health enthusiast, or just curious, this talk will shed light on it all. Let's get started. The production of whey protein starts at dairy farms, where healthy cows produce high-quality milk, the foundation of whey protein. It's then transported in refrigerated tanker trucks to a cheese manufacturing facility, where the transformation begins. At the factory, the milk undergoes a quality check to ensure it meets safety standards. The milk is pasteurized and rapidly cooled to kill bacteria while preserving its nutrients. Next, enzymes like rennet or acid lactic are added. Causing the milk to coagulate into curds and liquid whey. The curds are cut and shaped into cheese, while the whey is separated using filtration. Milk is purified through ultrafiltration. Specialized membranes retain protein molecules while filtering out smaller components like water and lactose, creating a protein-rich solution called retentate. Some facilities use ion exchange or diafiltration for further purification, ensuring a purer product. The whey is then concentrated using evaporation or finer ultrafiltration to reduce water content. Finally, it's packaged into sanitized containers, sealed, labeled, and tested for protein content, flavor, and safety before hitting store shelves. This intricate process, blending tradition and modern technology, ensures whey protein is both pure and effective. But what makes it so special? Let's explore its benefits. Muscle growth and recovery. Weight management. Enhanced immune function. Improved heart health. Versatility and nutritional value.
Ready?
Support for aging and bone health. Whey protein's journey from a cheese-making byproduct to a global fitness staple is a testament to human ingenuity and scientific advancement. Its production involves meticulous steps. Beyond its impressive production process, whey protein offers unparalleled benefits. So the next time you scoop whey into your shake, remember the science and effort behind it and enjoy its many rewards. Stay curious, stay healthy, and keep exploring the power of nutrition.